Hello, in this video I will talk about how to add users in WordPress. So right now I am logged in WordPress dashboard. So we have to click on this users, then we have to click on this add new button. Then we are on this add new user, create a brand new user and add them to the site. So first of all we are going to give the username, that is demo user. Email is demo user @gmail.com. First name demo, first name user, website www.demouser.com, then password 12345. Confirm of weak password. Then this is confirm password. Send user notification. Send the new user an email about their account. If you want to send a notification or email, you have to click on this checkbox. And what role you want to give that user: subscriber, shop manager, customer, contributor, author, editor, or administrator. I am going to give a subscriber. Then we have to click on this add new user. Yes, these are two users, demo user and if I logged with this new created user, then I have to open this with WP admin. Okay, then I have to copy this email, and then password was demo user 12345. Click on this login button. Demo user is logged in. You can see his details,